Hello YouTube, welcome to my first tutorial on VJ Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your HD camera as a webcam. Now the only thing you're going to need for this is a computer that runs Windows XP, Windows Vista, or Windows 7. I would not recommend Windows Vista because Windows Vista has a bug with the driver and the audio doesn't work correctly. But with Windows XP and Windows 7 it works just fine. So you're going to need an EasyCap capture card. These things are really easy to come by. They cost about $10, $7 to $10 on eBay. And I got mine on Amazon for $10. So when you order it, you're going to want to plug in the EasyCap into a USB port on your computer. I believe it only works with USB 2, because when USB 1 it would just be way too slow. But if you're running 7 like I am, it'll probably work about the same way in XP. But you're going to want to plug it in and put in the yellow CD that came with it in the disk drive. But don't do anything with it, just put it in there. And in your search bar, type in drivers and hit enter. And then go to imaging devices. My drivers are already installed correctly, but what you're going to want to do is go to the Syntec STK 1150. My device is working properly, but you're going to want to click update drivers. Browse manually and then go to the CD drive, which is for me is the F drive, and then click next. But my computer says my drivers are already working fine, so I really don't have a problem. So to record from the webcam you're going to need something. Movie Maker will work, except I wouldn't recommend it. You can upload directly to YouTube, but you have to actually tweak with those settings first. I'm going to use Sony Vegas Movie Studio HD 9.0. I'll just give it a random project name. Now you're not done yet, you just can't go to capture video. No. Wait for it to load. Now you're going to want to take your camera and then, depending on the camera, this will not work for all cameras, you're going to need the AV output for it. Now, this does not necessarily have to be an HD camera like I stated, but I'm using an HD camera. I would not recommend putting it in 1080p because it just comes out kind of laggy. Put it in the lowest settings it can go into. It'll still look fine. Then you're going to want to... let me try to find it. Okay, well, when you first plug it in, it should come in PAL format. That's like Europe and all the other countries. So you're going to want to go to the Syntec properties. Make sure it's on NTSC-M. If you put it on MJ, it'll be in black and white. This should stay the same. And make sure when you go to image, it's not on TV tuner. It has to be on composite video. Click OK. Now, assuming that the AV output in your camera is already plugged into the Syntec, turn it on. And it should be not having one bit of lag. Mine's already on the lowest settings. As you can see, mine can go to 1080p. But keep it on the lowest settings you can. Just trust me, that will work the best. And with some settings like my camera has, you can even turn off all the crap that's on the screen. So now it's like pure webcam. Now there's not really any need for these old pieces of shit anymore, is there? Well, that's how you use your HD camera or any other camera as a webcam. Thank you for watching this video. Please rate, subscribe, and all that other crap.